How to add keyframe in CapCut. So first go to CapCut and then you just need to go to your video. So for example, I want to add a keyframe around this area here. So I just need to click on the video and then make sure that to move this cursor here. And then you just need to scroll down here. And as you can see, there's a lot of keyframes here. Do you see the diamond icons here? Beside the opacity and the transform and up to this here. Now, if you want, so for example, we want to add a keyframe for scale, right? So you just need to tap or click on add keyframe. As you can see, now we have a keyframe here. So let's say I want to zoom in at around this area here. And if you want to do that, you can just add a keyframe here again. And then you just need to scale this. Okay. And then as you can see, once we play this, you can just, as you can see now, it started to zoom. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.